Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am excited to share a tasty and healthy drink recipe with aloe vera juice. I will start by filling up the colander glass with ice. Aloe vera juice boosts immune system and reduces heart attack risks. So enjoy this recipe with family and friends. I will pour 30 milliliters of lime mix. (30 milliliters of sugar syrup). You can easily prepare sugar syrup by adding equal parts of sugar and water. 15 milliliters of blue curacao syrup. I am using a non-alcoholic version of blue curacao. Pour 60 milliliters of cranberry juice. And 60 milliliters of aloe vera juice. Great! You are watching Aloe Mist Mocktail recipe. Now I will mix all the ingredients and pour over the ice. You are watching Spice Trail. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Healthy and tasty Aloe Mist Mocktail is ready. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Enjoy this healthy drink with family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe for exciting recipes like this.